Hello, everybody. We were just watching the fireworks. Now on my latest TV show, I've come down with the Sniffles. My TV show's name is The Sniffles. Now, after you saw the fireworks, how do you feel?
Good.
And
Better than ever.
look at the camera. Look at the camera. Not me, the camera. Look at the camera. Now, my favorite team today is to say this. I've come down with the Sniffles. I've come down with the Sniffles. Okay, bye.